Frustrated by the Adpsdkwrapper.dll DLL error causing ADP to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. While we explore the technical guide for Adpsdkwrapper, you can access a professional tool for managing complex library dependencies. This is the Adpsdkwrapper, a localized wrapper library for the ADP Software Development Kit, SDK. It bridges proprietary enterprise payroll and HR applications to specialized localized ADP cloud-based API services. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Because Adpsdkwrapper DLL is required by ADP to initialize correctly, a standard repair is needed. Reinstalling the official version of ADP ensures all required application DLLs are restored to their proper paths. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Adpsdkwrapper. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and reestablishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Remember that manual replacement of Adpsdkwrapper DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Adpsdkwrapper. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Adpsdkwrapper, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.